What's going on?
Taking a picture. We're going to the sticky waterfall.
What's so special about the sticky waterfall?
They're sticky. Yeah, there's these like weird rocks that grow there. There's no algae on them, so you can like actually climb. They're not slippery or anything. So we're gonna go hike there and check it out.
So you're telling me that if I climb up this rock, I'm not going to fall down?
I didn't say that. I'm
Okay.
just saying you won't slip.
Okay.
They're sticky.
To be seen. Let's go.
What are you doing?
Climbing up?
Go.
Jason tells me to climb this thing and I'm saying it's scary. It looks scary, but I'm going to climb.
Ladies first.
Let me tell you right now, I was intimidated by those waterfalls. The idea of climbing rocks that were cascading with water shouted nothing but dangerous to my mind. During my first attempt, I climbed a bit and I was pretty thrilled. But I had no intention of going up anymore. I only had one plan, going down. Now it was Jason's turn. Well, do I have to say any more? He climbed all the way to the top and disappeared. Okay, it was time to finally gather that courage and just do it.